Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Breezy HR for LinkedIn messaging follow-ups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Breezy HR for LinkedIn messaging follow-ups, start by logging into your Breezy HR account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings page located in the sidebar. In the settings menu, look for the integrations section. Click on the integrations tab to view available options. Find the LinkedIn integration from the list of available integrations. Click on the LinkedIn integration to begin the authentication process. You will see an option that says Connect LinkedIn account or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the connection. A new window will pop up prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click on the Sign In button. After signing in, LinkedIn will ask for permission to allow Breezy HR to access your account. Review the permissions and click on the Allow button to proceed. Once you grant permission, you will be redirected back to Breezy HR. You should now see a confirmation that your LinkedIn account is successfully connected. This means Breezy HR can now access your LinkedIn messaging features. To start using LinkedIn messaging for follow-ups, go to your candidate profiles in Breezy HR. Select the candidate you wish to contact. Look for the option to send a message through LinkedIn. Click on this option and compose your message. Once you're satisfied with your message, hit send. Your message will now be delivered through LinkedIn to the selected candidate. That's it. You have successfully authenticated Breezy HR for LinkedIn messaging follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.